This is a product review for OWKAR portable vacuum food sealer set. Key features: pressure display screen, auto stop, air return technology, preserves food up to 6 times longer, and it comes with 32 reusable vacuum bags. And that's what it looks like. And that's the lithium power information. Perfect home kitchens, travel, or meal prep. And that is thing. Link will be in the description. That's the product number.
Hey everybody, so today we're going to do this product review. This is what's inside. They got large and I think small bags in here.
Take it all out.
And your recharger. So you can recharge your...
And then they got some clips here. Let's see what those clips are for. Oh, looks pretty fancy schmancy there.
Mm-hmm. I'll say.
All right, basically has the instructions on how to use it. They even have containers and stuff.
Oh, wow.
See what the clips say that they're for.
Clips don't say what they're for.
Oh, they might say it on here. And that's what it is.
It doesn't even mention clips.
All right, so we got 2 lemons. We are gonna vacuum seal.
Okay, well here goes nothing. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what these are for. It doesn't say. And I was looking on here to see if maybe it clipped on, you know, like the other one.
Oh, you can hang it up.
I guess.
Maybe that's just for the bags to seal it. Who knows?
That could be.
We'll see.
So you get a better grip on it.
Yeah, that's true. All right. And what's good about these is these bags are resealable. Again, the link will be in the descriptions.
Okay, so that's what that's for.
Oh, that's to bring that across to seal it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha.
Yeah, because you ain't just sealing those. Those are pretty tough. And it goes right into the ridge. Okay, it's sealed.
That's good. Because not some of them do come with that. It is hard to push down.
It is hard to push down. I mean, they really seal. All right, so there's that. There it goes. There you go. It's done. And this is where you charge it, is in the back, your USB. So that's cool.
I like the design.
I do. I mean, because that's, you can actually, you know, you can hold on to it like this.
Yeah. Let's see underneath it. And then you could see inside here. That's for the juice. To catch the juice in there before it gets to the motor. Where the other one didn't have that.
Right.
So I like this one because this has a juice catcher, see?
Yep.
and it lets maximum of the juice. With the other one, it goes into the juice. All right, see, unscrew that real quick. Yep. And then you can see right there, it tells you do not allow liquids to enter this. Do not block the hole. And it has a maximum line and everything to it. Not bad.
Yeah, your maximum line is right there. So this is nice. This is really nice.
Yeah. Because the other ones doesn't catch the juice. It doesn't have a juice catcher.
No, it don't.
So yeah, OWKAR, however it's pronounced, definitely worth it. Link will be in the description.
Yeah, so if you guys are on the lookout or needing something like this.
Yeah, get the other one. We'll compare it.
So.
Because the other one, like I said, I thought it was good. But this one here is better.
Yeah.
Because if you compared it side by side, this has the drip catcher. This doesn't. It goes right into the machine.
So this, I feel, is a better one because you can actually see the juices going in.
Yeah.
So you're not going to mess it up.
Not bad.
Nope, not bad at all.
All right, BB.
So until the next one, everyone take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya.